Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the hair update on the Janet Collection Temple Lace 1-Pack Hair Solution. So if you want to see more, please stay tuned. So if you guys aren't familiar with what the 1-Pack solution is that Janet Collection offers, I definitely suggest going back to watch my original video. But basically it is a pack that comes with a frontal and 3 bundles of hair, which is just enough for a full install. Recently, I don't know if the video was shared, but I've been getting a lot of comments and stuff on the video. So I did want to just get on camera and give you guys an update on the actual hair. Again, if you haven't seen the first video, definitely go back and watch the first video so that you can get up to speed. So basically, I installed this hair back in September. I made a wig out of mine and I wore it for maybe 2 to 3 weeks straight. So when I do my wig, I normally wear my wigs for a few weeks at a time. I do sew them down and I keep them on. During this period, I did not wash the wig one time. And so yeah, I wore it straight for 2 to 3 weeks. So my overall opinion on the hair, well, first, let me start by saying when I first uploaded the video, I did not have a direct link in the description box, but I do have a direct link now, which will be down below if you are interested in this hair. Secondly, another question that kept popping up was the price. I didn't have the price at the time because they do sell this hair at your local beauty supply, so the prices may vary depending on where you purchase it from. But in the link down below, the hair ranges from $40 to $60 depending on if it's on sale or who's carrying it and whatnot. So again, for let's say the highest price point is $60. For $60 you get 3 bundles of hair and a frontal. So yeah, now I'm just gonna talk about what I like about the hair, what I didn't like about the hair, how did the hair hold up, and all that other stuff. So first of all, I do recommend making a wig with this hair. You can install it as a sew-in, but based on the quality of the hair, if you want more longevity out of the hair, I recommend doing a wig. So this hair, like I said, I wore it for about 2 to 3 weeks, and honestly I had threw it to the side after I had took it out. The hair just really needed to be washed and brought back to life. But I recently put the hair back in. I did wash the hair, condition it, and this is how the hair looks. I will say that the hair does tangle slightly. If you're not combing it and keeping it detangled, it will start to tangle. You can detangle it, but it does tangle a bit in the nape area. The hair also sheds a little bit. Let's see if I get any strands right now. I'm not getting any strands right now, but you know, you do get shedding here and there. People want to know if the hair curled. I actually didn't try curling the hair just because the hair is more on the thin side, which I don't mind the hair being on the thinner side. But when I wear like thinner density hair, I typically don't like to curl it because it doesn't look as full, because it's not. So yeah, I haven't really curled this hair, but the hair does curl. So I'm just gonna take my flat irons right here and then show you guys. So I'm using these big flat irons, but as you can see, the hair, you know, it does curl. I haven't tried coloring the hair. You guys may see a few little highlights. I just added like a brown track at the top just for a highlighted look. So I actually haven't tried coloring the hair, but the package does say that you can bleach this hair. So yeah, overall, I'll give this hair a solid, I give about a 7.5 out of 10. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you guys it's the best quality hair ever, but for the price point and for all the things that you can do it, I do think it's an excellent steal. Again, for $60 you get 3 bundles and a frontal. I will like I said, I do say if you are gonna purchase this hair to make a wig and don't do the sew-in, I definitely think with the wig you get the most longevity out of the hair. I think this is also good hair if you're practicing for frontals, if you want to learn how to work with frontals but you don't want to spend a bunch of money on like a full lace wig or lace frontal and bundles. This is definitely good practice hair if you're not, you know, used to taking care of it. But yeah, overall, I like this hair, y'all. Like I said, I've had the hair for about 2 months. I haven't worn it for the full 2 months, but this is hair to have if you want something decent, like, you know, a good in-between wig when you don't really know what you want to do with your hair, but you want to look decent. You can just throw this wig on and keep it moving until you figure out what you want to do. I'm interested to see how long this hair will last, but I definitely think you can get a few months out of the hair with the proper care. Yeah, all in all, I really do like this hair. I hope I answered everything that you guys wanted to know. The direct link on where you can purchase this hair will be down below. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any additional questions, please leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer it. And I'll see you guys next time.